Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bar on your chainsaw. I'll begin by removing the old bar from the saw. I'll go ahead and remove the bar nuts. And I'll loosen the tensioner. Now I can remove the side cover. With the side cover removed, I'll pull the bar all the way back to take all the tension off the chain, and I'll remove the chain from the bar. And now I can remove the bar from the saw. With the correct replacement bar in hand, now I can go ahead and install it onto the saw. I'll align the bar with the bar studs, and I'll push it back as far as it'll go so it's up against the sprocket. Now I'll reinstall the chain. I want to make sure that I install the chain the right direction. The cutters on the bottom of the bar should have the sharp edge pointing towards the back of the saw. I'll loop the chain around the drive sprocket and into the groove on the bar. Now I'll pull the bar to tighten up the chain and make sure that the driver links fit into the groove on the bottom of the bar. I'll reinstall the side cover. And I'll reinstall the bar nuts, just finger tight for now. Now I'll adjust the chain tension. I'll lift the nose of the bar all the way up and begin tensioning the chain. I want to tension the chain so that I can still pull the chain slightly away from the bar, but I don't want to be able to pull the driver links completely out of the bar. That looks good. With the proper tension, I'll go ahead and tighten down the bar nuts. And that's how easy it is to replace the bar on your chainsaw.